Hi, kindergartners. One of the activities you have to do today is an ATI practice page on print concepts. I'm going to try my very best to do this with you. You don't need to print off anything, or you don't need a pencil or anything like that. Just simply point on the computer screen or iPad screen what the correct answer is. All right, let's go ahead and try to get started. Number one's asking, which is the correct way to write the word dog? Now, when we write a word, we know that we don't want to have any spaces between the letters in a word. We want them to be right next door to another. So point on your screen which way would be the proper way to write dog. 1, 2, or 3. Good. Number 2 is the right way to write dog because there's no spaces between the letters when they wrote dog. Let's try the next one. Number 2 is asking us to show which is the proper way to write and. You try, point on your screen, 1, 2, or 3. Good job, you're right. Number 2 is the answer again. There's no spaces between the letters in and. Let's go to the next one. All right, now this one they're asking you to show which word spells the word what. And remember, what is a question word and it's also been a sight word. So think about how we spell what. Is it word number 1? Is it word 2? Word 3? Or word 4? I'll give you some think time. What? Good job. I hope you picked word number 1. Has our phonogram what at the beginning and it ends in t, what. All right, you're doing great. Let's try another one. All right, this one's asking this time how you spell the word mother. Listen to the word mother. Would that be word 1, 2, 3, or 4? Again, the word is mother. What do you think? Did you pick word 2? If you did, excellent. Mother. Looky here, it has double whammy phonograms. Mother has a th and the in her. Good job, guys. Let's keep going. Number 5. They want you to show which way to spell the word stop. Now listen to the sounds in stop. Stop. So is it word 1, 2, 3, or 4? Stop. Good job. Word 1. It has all the sounds in the correct order that I need for stop. Stop. Good job. All right, on to number 6. Now this one again, they're asking us what is the correct way to spell the word apple? Remember, when we write words, we don't want to have any spaces between the letters. We want only a spaghetti noodle space. So is it word 1, 2, or 3 spelled correctly for apple? Good. Word 3. There are no spaces in the word apple, unlike these ones that I'm marking up here. All right, good job. Moving along. Number 7. Number 7 is asking us what is the correct way to write the word bear. Remember what we've been talking about. When we write a word, we don't put spaces between the letters. So is this going to be word number 1, 2, or 3? Which one do you think? Good job. Word 3. Again, it doesn't have any spaces between the letters. You are getting to be a pro at this. Number 8. Ooh, this one's a color word. It says which word spells blue? Blue. Think about it. Is it word 1, 2, 3, or 4? Blue. Good job. Word 3, blue. B L-U-E, blue. Almost done, kindergartners. Keep on going. Number 9. Number 9's asking you which word spells out the word make. Make. Is it word 1, 2, 3, or 4? Remember, you're looking for the word that spells make. What do you guess? It's word number 2. A silent E at the end. Good job. Clear it up. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, last one, number 10. Yay! It says which word, or actually it's asking you which is a word. So we've got car and J, which shows me a word. You're right, guys. Car is a word. J is just simply a letter. All right, nice job, kindergartners. I'll see you later. Hi, kindergartners. All right, we're going to try another ATI workbook page. It's the ELA print concepts, and you don't have to worry about looking for anything. You can just do it right here on the screen with me. Remember, you just point to the answer, okay? So on this page, we see a front cover of a book, and they want you to show where the author is. Now, it says that the title is Max Sees the Doctor. Below it says Words by Linda Ames and Pictures by Paula Wiss. So I will give you a second, point to where the author is. Did you point right here? Words by Linda Ames is telling us who the author is of the book. Remember, an author writes the story. All right, let's try another question. Hold on just a second. Number 2. Again, we're going to look up this front cover of this book, and I want you to point to the illustrator on this book. Where is the name of the illustrator? Did you point down here? Yep, it says Pictures by Paula Wiss. Remember, an illustrator draws and colors the pictures. And always on the front cover of a book, they always start by doing the title, might have a little bit of a picture, then they always list the author first, and list the illustrator second. All right, let's try number 3. Number 3, it wants you to please look up the book and show me the name of the illustrator. So it says Fanny the Funny Frog, written by James Taylor and illustrated by Ju Lin. So where's the name of the illustrator? Yep, right there at the bottom. The illustrator is always right below the author. All right, now this time, I'm going to show you a front cover of a book. And I've got here, If You Give a Pig a Party. And I have by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. Can you point on the screen, where is the author of my book here? Yep, remember the author is always the first one, the person who writes the story. And then down below here, this is the illustrator's name. All right, good job. Let's go back to seeing the screen again. Hold on just a second. All right, and we've got one last question here. Number 5 is asking us to look at the book and show where the author is. You're going to point to the author. It says Favorite Rhymes, Words and Pictures by Stanley Colvin. So the author is Stanley Colvin, but the cool thing about this book is that Stanley Colvin is the author. He wrote the story and he's the illustrator. He drew and colored all the pictures in the book. Sometimes that can happen. Pretty cool, right? All right, thanks for listening. Bye, friends. Hi, kindergartners. All right, the last thing that you need to do today is an ATI math activity, and I'm going to do it right here with you. All you need to do is just count along with me, okay? So number 1 asks us to start at 40 and then count by 10s up to 90. So let's do that together, okay? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And stop there. Number 2 says to start at 50 and count by tens to 100. Let's do that together. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Number 3 asks us to start counting by ones. We're going to start at 1 and then stop when we get to 17. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good job. Number 4 says that we're going to count by ones again, and we're going to start at 1 and stop when we get to 12. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to start at 30 and count by tens up to 60. Count with me. Start at 30, 30, 40, 50, 60. And voila, that's that. Great job, kindergartners. Thanks for participating with me. And I will be seeing you again super soon. Bye, friends.